What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at one of the recent Ross Chastain releases from the 2024 season. This is going to be his Busch Light Farmer's car. We all, I'm sure, can remember this car going around the track last year. Again, he didn't have too much success with this car, but nonetheless, it is an amazing paint scheme. Very, very happy that it's been produced. One of my favorites from last year. Let's go ahead and just, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at the box before we dive into it. You got the Cup Series 2024 Trackhouse Racing Ross Chastain adult collectible, because of course it is the Busch Light sponsorship, so this will have your plate on the bottom. Right here you're going to see Ross Chastain, the #1 Busch Light Farmers 2024 Camaro ZL1. On the back you got Lionel Racing, the official diecast of NASCAR. You got your barcode. On top, you got the NASCAR emblem with your hologram there on the top. And all the legal nonsense on the bottom. So let's go ahead and dive into this car and let's take a look at it. Alright, we got it out of the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful paint scheme. Absolutely love this paint scheme. Let's take a closer look at it. Ooh, see if I can get my camera to focus a little bit better. Alright, so as you can see, you've got Busch Light, and it's all in the corn stalks. You got your mountains there, because of course they have to have their mountains on the car, along with your ice top mountains on the car with your corn. But very, 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 very green paint scheme. You got the corn, you got the Busch Light can right there with the corn on it. The #1, which is outlined in the foil, as you can see, is shimmering right there. Very, very nice. Come around to the front. Of course, you still have the corn stalks with the Busch Light logo on the front. Very, very nice paint scheme to come out of last season. You go around to the passenger side, still got that full number. Busch Light, you got your Kubota, you got Moose. Looks like Global, can't quite read it. Worldwide Technology, or Worldwide Express, excuse me. Right there, you've got Jockey. And looks like the Wendy's emblem right there. So, very, very nice car. You got Ross Chastain's name up there with his traditional Milliman logo. On the back, it's going to be pure white with, looks like it says Farm Rescue on it with the Busch Light logo. Along with the Camaro, the Chevy emblem, the #1. And then right here, for the farmers, on the deck lid. Very, very nice. Busch Light right there on the roof, along with your high-vis #1. Not outlined in any foil, but very, very nice car. Love this paint scheme. I wouldn't say it's my absolute favorite from last year, because he had some amazing paint schemes last year. Especially his camouflage Busch Light car. You've got the my favorite, which has so far been the peach car. Just some amazing looking cars. He has a couple of different Kubota paint schemes last year, but this is definitely up there towards the top. Very unique. You can, very, very distinguishable on track. So if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will have more content coming soon, more cars, especially as we get closer and closer to this 2025 season and as they start being released. And if you guys enjoyed this, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you guys later.